Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 42. Download Microsoft Ad Editor. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to download Microsoft Ad Editor, step by step. So let's get started. So on Google, search for Microsoft Ad Editor, open this first link. Here it says, Microsoft Advertising Editor, Campaign Management Tool, then streamline your PPC campaign management. Next we have, why use Editor? Get started quickly. Work faster. Make edits in bulk. Multiple account management. Research new keywords and bids. All these are its features. Then we have Editor for Windows and next we have Editor for Mac. For Windows, let's click on Windows Download button and the download will start. So this is how you can download Microsoft Ad Editor. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 43. Installing Microsoft Ad Editor. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to install Microsoft Ad Editor, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.